Do you ever feel like you're studying a version of English that doesn't actually exist? You spend hours memorizing long word lists, but when you turn on a movie or walk down a street, it sounds like a totally different language. I have a secret for you, and it might make some textbook publishers a little bit angry. The truth is, native speakers are quite efficient, or, if I'm being honest, a little bit lazy. We don't use 50,000 words in our daily lives. In fact, research shows that a tiny group of sentences, what I call the golden 50, makes up nearly 85% of our real-world interactions. Think about that. If you master these 50 patterns, you aren't just learning some English. You are learning the English. Today, here on the English Beat, I'm going to give you the keys to the kingdom. We're going to walk through these sentences together. No stress, no boring grammar charts, just real communication. Stay with me until the very end, because sentence number 50 is a magic phrase that fixes almost any mistake you make in a conversation. Let's begin. Imagine you're at a party or a coffee shop. You want to start a conversation, but your brain freezes. Let's replace that fear with sentence 1. How's your day going so far? Notice I didn't just say, how are you? That's a bit boring. How's your day going so far invites a story. It's warm and friendly. Don't worry about the grammar rules here. Just feel the music of it. Sentence 2. I couldn't help but notice. This is the ultimate polite icebreaker. You can use it to compliment someone, like saying, I couldn't help but notice your book. Is it any good? It makes you sound sophisticated and observant. Sentence 3. What brings you here today? This is perfect for events. Sentence 4. I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. This is much better than just saying what? Sentence 5. Does that make sense? This is the best way to check if someone understands you. I use this one constantly. It keeps the connection alive. Let's move to the office or the dinner table. English learners often struggle with being too direct or too shy. We need the middle ground. Sentence 16. I was wondering if you could. This is my magic softener. Instead of saying, help me, you say, I was wondering if you could help me. It's like adding a cushion to a hard chair. It makes people want to say yes to you. Sentence 17. That sounds like a plan. When someone suggests an idea, don't just say, okay. Say, that sounds like a plan. It shows confidence. Sentence 18. I'll get back to you on that. This is your get out of jail free card. If you don't know the answer, don't panic. Use this phrase. It buys you time and sounds professional. Continuing our list. Sentence 19. Let's touch base later. Sentence 20. I'm on it. That means you're doing the task right now. Sentence 21. Could you give me a hand? Sentence 22. It's not the end of the world. Use this to comfort a friend who made a mistake. Now we get into the heart of the language. To be truly fluent, you have to express how you feel without sounding like a robot. Sentence 31. I'm really looking forward to it. We use this for everything from the weekend to seeing a friend. It creates great energy. Sentence 32. To be honest, I'm not sure. Honesty is the best shortcut to fluency. If you try to hide your mistakes, you get stuck. If you are honest about your uncertainty, you relax. Sentence 33. I know what you mean. This is the ultimate empathy phrase. Use it, and people will love talking to you because they feel truly heard. The hardest part of learning a language isn't the words, it's the courage. These sentences are your armor. When you have these 50 phrases, you aren't walking into a conversation empty-handed. You have tools. Let's look at some more rapid-fire essentials. Sentence 34. That's a good point. Sentence 35. I see where you're coming from. Sentence 36. It is what it is. This is perhaps the most common calm phrase in modern English. Sentence 37. I'm tied up at the moment, which is a polite way to say you are busy. Sentence 38. Long time no see. Sentence 39. Give me a shout if you need anything. Sentence 40. I'm heading out now. We've reached the final stretch. These last few are the heavy hitters. Sentence 46. I'm still getting the hang of it. Use this when you make a mistake. It tells people you are learning, and it is very charming. Sentence 47. How do you mean, exactly? This is a polite way to ask for a better explanation. Sentence 48. It's been a while since we talked. Sentence 49. I'd better get going. This is the perfect, polite way to leave any conversation. And now, sentence number 50. The one I promised you. The magic phrase that fixes everything. When you feel lost, When you've used the wrong tense or when you simply forgot a basic word, just smile and say, "Sorry, my brain just went blank. What was I saying?" Even I use that. Native speakers use it every single day. It humanizes you. It breaks the tension. It reminds the other person that you are a human being, not a grammar machine. You've done it. You now have the golden 50. But remember, knowledge is only half the battle. To truly own these, you need to hear them in rhythm. I've created a free checklist of these 50 sentences for you to keep. You can find the link in the description. Print it out and say one out loud every single morning. If this helped you feel a little more confident today, please subscribe and join our family here at the English Beat. We don't just teach English, we live it. Comment below and tell me which of these 50 sentences is your favorite. I'll be there replying to as many as I can. I'm Sarah, and it's been an absolute pleasure. Keep practicing, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next one.